Hi viewers, my name is Duray Saran, working as a data program in Inspire Solutions. Now I am going to explain my project. Let's see. Neural control of a tracking task via attention-gated reinforcement learning for brain-machine interfaces. This concept, let's see the abstract. Reinforcement learning (RL) based brain-machine interfaces (BMIS) enable the user to learn from the environment through interactions to complete the task without design signals, which is promising for clinical applications. Previous studies exploited Q-learning techniques to discriminate neural states into simple directional actions, providing the trial initial timing. However, the movements in BMI applications can be quite completed, and the action timing explicitly shows the intention when to move. The rich and the corresponding neural states from large state action space, imposing generalization difficulty on Q-learning. In this paper, we propose to adopt attention-gated reinforcement learning (AGREL) as a new learning scheme for BMIS to adaptively decode highly dimensional neural activities into 7 distinct movements: directional moves, holding and resting due to the efficient weight updating. Let's see the difference between existing and proposed system. In the existing system, various approaches to integrate domain knowledge and different types of learning systems have been known. In many of these works, domain knowledge is used in an indirect manner. In the proposed system, BMI user needs to learn how to operate on a BMI system with the biofeedback, example visual feedback. They can only adjust their brain activities and observe the predicted movements executed by the external reboot arm in reaching the target through trial and error. Existing algorithm, Q-learning techniques algorithm. In the proposed AGREL, technical definition for proposed system. In our work global signal that is delivered to all units regardless of whether they were involved in the network choice. The second factor is the attention feedback signal from units in the output layer. This factor gauges the plasticity of units at earlier processing levels responsible for the network's output. Existing drawback is domain knowledge is typically used indirectly in RL systems. Falcon is compatible with the symbolic rule-based representation. Advantage for proposed system is improve the performance of VMI systems. AGREL is applied to map the consecutive movements. Let's see the overall diagram. Administrative requires BMI machine interface. It will move to the operation theater. Here they contains multiple operations. Then it will move on to the trajectory updates. Then it will generate a report. Then finally it moves to the administrative. Software requirement is operating system Windows 7, 8, 8.1, front-end Visual Studio 2013, coding language C#, back-end SQL Server 2012. Hardware requirement is processor Pentium dual core 2.00 GHz, hard disk 100 GB, mouse Logitech, RAM 4 GB RAM minimum, keyboard 110 keys enhanced. Thank you for watching.